Hi there, it's Rifat Kobir Rafi. I am from Bangladesh in Sylhet. Currently, I am studying in Bachelor of Business Studies from Bianibazar Government College. I am a professional digital marketer with 3 years of experience in the field. I have worked with variety of companies on their social media strategy, included Pano Consult. There I was responsible as social media manager and advertising marketing. I believe in building relationship with customer and clients, which is why I love to work with people who are passionate about their work. My goal is to help them reach their goals by providing quality of service that's help them grow. If you want to collaborate with me, connect with my social media accounts, links this below.